My name is Damien Hopkins. I'm a site manager here at the Aberaeron Coastal Defence Scheme. Working in a beautiful location can also be very challenging due to extreme weather conditions, tidal working, but between BAM employees and our subcontractors working together, we can make this project possible.
Part of our restrictions is to keep the harbour open, so at low tide excavators actually drop into the river and across onto our breakwater. We put some rocks to protect vehicles from waves and you take the energy out of the sea. Then every low tide then we run across as much rock as we can and then place it with the machines recovered before the high tide again. We pour that section of wall, we use a crane to get the concrete in, then it cures. And then we basically need a crane then to lift those shutters and bring them down onto this one. So we've got one being poured and cured and then one being fixed, so the shutters are constantly moving.
My name is Gwen Clements. I'm the local public liaison officer, and I understand the importance of this project and how we're going to safeguard Aberaeron from future flooding. We also go to the local schools to provide safety presentations and careers advice on engineering, and I also liaise with the local businesses and residents and keep them informed of our progress.